folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at this BLACK+DECKER. It's a 3-in-1, 240 miles per hour leaf blower, and it's absolutely fantastic. Now, it will vacuum leaves, it will mulch, and it'll blow. Boy, will it blow. This thing is ultra powerful, so let's go ahead and see if I can show you just a little bit more. Put it down here, I'm just going to show you. So the thing is super powerful. It does have adjustable tips. I've taken it off just for my own personal use because I have longer arms. But the vacuum works great. It's a powerful vacuum, and you're going to want to pick one up for yourself, okay? 240 miles per hour, super powerful, mulches leaves. You're going to want to order today. You won't be disappointed.